So today what we do for Luca Luca is very minimalist, perfect look. So what we do is very pulled back, clean ponytail. We make a bow. We leave the tip on the wide side for give this little edginess.
I like that.
So before you put it up in the bun, you have to...
Blow dry, very smooth.
Very smooth.
Put a little bit of product.
What's the trick to getting a super smooth ponytail like this?
A shiny spray or
Yeah.
oil.
Okay, is that a toothbrush I see? You know I was going to ask you about that.
Yes, yes. It's easy to work with.
The toothbrush gets all those little baby hairs?
Yeah.